Gold and silver traded in a narrow zone, in a no trade zone, I can say, where we have seen neither the bulls nor the bears taking control here. Big day. The PCE data coming in before the US session should bring lot much of volatility. What to expect, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Thus, to get the regular updates, do subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. If you look at the hourly charts of gold, after the drop here, retracement, lower lows, retracement, lower highs, lower lows here. It has to break beyond 2380, as I have mentioned earlier in the day. This is going to be a prime resistance for the day. Beyond 2380, we can look forward to 84 and in fact 90 levels, and only bullishness about 2400 can be expected, and only reversal confirmation is about 2422 levels. Very clear here. Stochastic has retraced. MACD has also continued its upward journey here, while RSI is running flat. Coming to 2-hour chart, the observation on the 2-hour chart is same. See, prices have retraced towards 20 period, getting the resistance here. It has to break out this resistance zone with force in order to confirm a direction such that it can move towards the 50 period moving average and in fact the 100 period. So till 2400, very strong resistances will be observed here. The moving averages are right now trading with divergence and bearish. Also, if you look at on the downside, see higher lows and higher highs. So till 2360 levels we have to be careful, and below 2350 is where the bearishness will observe, and where you can say that now gold is turning bearish. Else right now I can say even if it tries to drop, it may find a good support on the downside. Stochastic running flat. Look, MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence, looking upwards. See, almost a double bottom is seen, and it is right now looking upwards. It can continue to deliver a wave like this. Possibility exists here. RSI running flat. Coming to 3-hour charts, if you look, now see on the 3-hour charts, first of all, a reversal sign. Since that reversal sign we have seen, price is struggling on the downside, and at the same time we have seen it getting resistance also on the upside. Now see one bullish candle, a pullback, couple of retracement candle, and if the current candle trades below 2368 and then 2360 levels, more bearish momentum will increase, and then further lows can be expected here. Stochastic is flat. MACD is on the verge of a crossover, and see right now you can see it forming double bottom here, but it can continue to diverge. If the current candle delivers a stronger bearish one, then we can say that it is going to look further down. RSI running flat. Coming to 4-hour chart, likewise on the 4-hour charts, higher lows, lower highs. Let it come out of this consolidation zone, and then a stronger breakout can be expected here on the upside. If you look at the 4-hour charts, look at the formation here. Drop retracement, drop retracement. It could retrace on the upside. The highs at 2420 are going to be critical if it continues to trade on the upside here. If you look at the RSI, this is retraced. The MACD has not yet crossed over. It is just converged, and it has still got lot much of room on the downside. The RSI is running flat. Coming to daily charts, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the service. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker, the recommended broker link is also there in the channel and video description. It offers you a safe-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges. Now look at the daily chart, the drop, consolidation, and yesterday was the first breakout candle. Now see, interestingly, what has happened here, prices are seen taking support from the 2050 period simple moving average. Now this is the main trend, and you look at the exponential moving averages, these have started to converge. Also the day has started on a slight bearish note, where we have seen it hitting the lows and trying to bounce back. So it has started from 2355 and has recovered. Now one thing is, if it drops below 2350 today, we can say that the bears will be active here. Breaking below 2350 is where we can say next target is going to be towards 2320, 30 and 2320 levels. Possibility exists that if it continues to drop, because see, yesterday was the first breakout, and today if it continues on the downside, this is going to bring a stronger momentum. While till the time it respects 2350, we should not be treating this as bearish. Very clear. Till the time it respects 2350, we should not be treating this as bearish. It can bounce back strongly, forming the double bottom levels. Thus you need to be careful here. If you look at the formation here, see moving averages are still in green. These are running parallel. The stochastic is oversold. Look at the MACD. Now this is one another sign. MACD is looking downwards, and it has lot much of scope on the downside. But see, this crossover has come from very lower levels. So look at the highs which it has seen. Thus, a stronger candle and everything will start to converge crossover and it will continue to rise. RSI has dropped as well. So looking at this, see, one thing at least we should take a note of that 2400, 2412 and 2422 are the three levels only above which you can say now gold is turning bullish here. Yes, it has to break past by this zone in order to confirm a reversal. So now how to profit? I will recommend a buy at 2380 levels where you can expect it to move towards 2384, 23. See 2384, 86 first resistance, 2390, 92 the second, 2395, 96 the third, and 2400 the fourth. Till 2400, very nearby resistance. Beyond 2400, we can expect it to move towards 2412, 2410 zone, first target zone, or rather I will say 2408, 2412 zone, first resistance zone, and then 2420, 2422, 2424 the second resistance zone. If it breaks beyond this, you can say gold has reversed and a stronger rally will be seen here. Now also one must notice it has formed almost a flat bottom here at 2350 and it is again seen getting support from here. So if it breaks below this, then you can expect more bearishness. Now looking at this, the selling entry I will recommend is at 2368 below which also 2364, 62.5 very good support, 2357, 58 the second, and then 2350, 52 the third. If it breaks the third support level, you can say more bearish momentum is going to be there. It is not going to come back. We can look forward to 2340, 2330, and in fact 2320 levels are very much possible. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly charts, trading with the resistance at 28, 28.10. I have mentioned yesterday as well. And today again that 28, 28.20 is going to be a prime resistance. See, also one must notice it is right now delivering higher lows here. So as long as it respects 2760, 2750 zone, we have to be careful. So far for the day, it has respected 2760. Now what has happened? Prices have moved towards 20 period and it is getting resistance trying to reverse here. So as long as now 28, 28.10 zone is not taken, we have to be careful with the bias. Stochastic is retraced, MACD rising, RSI is running flat here. On the 2-hour charts, the observation is more or less same. On the downside, let it break. See, I will not treat this as bearish. We have to wait for 2750 levels to be taken. And look at the formation here. Look at the formation. If you see the formation, after the drop, it has seen a flat bottom. And now if it breaks, it is going to be a stronger move here. Possibility exists. Stochastic has dropped, MACD. But on the MACD, it is suggestive of a reversal. It has crossed over, forming double bottom here, and it is looking upwards where it can move towards the double top here. See, this is delivering waves and this wave can lead to the highs. RSI just coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to 3-hour chart. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, remember here, see, after forming a flat base here, it is still having bullishness, and thus once you see it is staying above 28, 28.20 zone, you can say more bullish momentum is going to be seen. See, you can treat this as almost double bottom, and if it reverses from the current levels 28.20, 28.40, 28, in fact 28.50 and 28.80 levels are also possible. Look at the drop here, retracement drop. It could retrace where it could retrace towards this zone. Possibility exists as if it breaks beyond 28, 28.20, more bullish momentum is going to be seen. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is willing to converge. It has not yet crossed over. It has already seen a good bearish momentum. RSI is just coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to 4-hour. Now look at 4-hour chart. See, already it is skewed on the downside, but I can also see higher lows here. So it is respecting there. The resistance is on the upside and delivering lower lows here. So once it breaks below 2760, 2750 zone, we can expect it to deliver more bearish momentum here. But right now, I can say that it is still not, or I can say it is still very much hesitant to break on the downside. The stochastic looking down, the MACD is trading bearish, the RSI is oversold. Coming to daily. Now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, we have seen it delivering higher lows here, and it can continue to retrace towards lower highs, which means it is possibility for it to move towards 28.50, 28.80. Remember, it is going to be a swingful day possible. Moving averages have crossed over. This is sign of bearishness. Also, if you look at after the drop, it has been trading in this bearish channel here. So hitting the lows, it can bounce back. That is one possibility you should not ignore. But second thing is, remember, this is the first support here. It has breached already 28 levels. Now the pull is here on the downside towards 27 and in fact 26 levels. So right now, see, this crossover is coming after months of bullishness. This was the last time when it is shown a bullish cross, and it was way back in March. Since then, it is traded bullish. So even if it retraces, possibility is there that it can continue to trade bearish in the near future. The stock has to get oversold levels. MACD is bearish and RSI has dropped. Looking at this, very simple. You can sell here at 2760. Be careful till 2740. As long as 2740 is respected, do not treat silver as bearish. It can bounce back again below 2740. It may try to hit $27 levels, and in fact below 27 more bearish momentum is going to be towards 2675, 2650 levels. On the upside, a buying entry now I will recommend is at 28 levels. Beyond that, 2810, 2820, very good resistances till 2820. Beyond 2820, we can look forward to 2840, 50. And if it breaks this, then you can look forward to 2875, 2880. Hitting the levels again, it can reverse. So you need to be trading with the trailing stop loss. Today, swings can be expected. Thus, you should be trading with caution. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the weekly review. Do not miss to watch the weekly updates. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend.